Eyaitene lo Directorate of Ethics and Integrity oyapiesike President kesi esishana kesi Engarenok ongora akironwe kamanara keda ITG Ecamusana makombi Moses Eric lo erai Commissioner lo Eretakin no Development Social Policies and Standards oriongetalo ngesi ebalebe ejasi kesi airimora kwapukere aisishanakin eswamaka akironwe kamanara keda ITG Ecamusana.
You know, the president, starting from 1986 and the 10-point program, he had the zero tolerance to corruption policy, which is being operationalized by the national anti-corruption strategy. We are now moving into the districts, local governments, to see how they are operationalizing the national anti-corruption strategy within the districts, how they are fighting corruption, and measures to improve ethical conduct and moral decadence in the district.
We have got a challenge on the acts that we use for charging corrupt people.
The Anti-Corruption Act?
The Anti-Corruption Act.
I'm interested in that challenge.
The thing, sometimes you find that the charge for somebody who has stolen 2,500 is the same charge for somebody who has stolen
5 million.
A lot of money, billions of shillings.
Odongo Lasio loerai chairman LC5 ongora ngesi eyalama no aisisia ana apotu kesi odumutu.
Raisi alamiki mbele ofisi kia president noi temoki ne meeting lo. Do ichamu chutibe ara ifedoriona apedo sa famine pepe. Ariso amoni ne pepe ipedora ikona ikera bodo yoda ripupu ya kiro piu edori yoda ikona no me reporter. Konye eswa mae o district elosio yok akodo do ngai sinyi ko ikene tunga kire ebe aupa na rose eswa mana rose
Osodi Ekmat Leonard Isodo ngesi echora Engarenok ka eswa makapugane ai sache Ecamusana ka amili chapia noebeit Engarakina itunga kwape abungi sida ojalia aparashano eswama adekis na Apollon Osoroti.
Polo corruption otoma akwa kuok ageu no kuju tone kwap kunya chamtombe mambure kuro kune jakaite deke nera woni o jaski da jinan tubune be ajara ngode do potunga do poti somati bulwe roko na jaranga asomto madex no soroti enge do poto mokokola kalu ike liko koko ike anyone ntebe tun soroti edo ntike tukuna chida sa gulare kengun konye do abonge male jakaite deke abonga pupe polo kai jaka tede ka geona ngai yun o karel kunir pa kotaka na kaisa kanyuna luare akaisa unumei agyara ngi tolo bwanga dum ai julakin.
David Livingstone Seru, TV East, Ongora District.